Hi there, and welcome to the MPC Academy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process setting up your MPC Studio, MPC music production software, and the included factory expansion content. Now first connect your MPC Studio directly to your computer using the provided USB cable. This will instantly power up your MPC Studio. Next, you'll need to register your MPC by heading over to the akaipro.com/register, where you'll need to create a user account. If you already have an account, simply log in, then go to the Register New Product tab. Here, you'll need to enter the serial code, which could be located on the back of your user manual or the bottom of the hardware or on the side of your box. Once you've entered the hardware serial number, press Check Serial. Then download and run the MPC Studio Software Manager. This is located inside your user account. This will walk you through a simple process to install and activate your MPC software and all of the included factory content, along with the hardware driver and firmware update. Once MPC is finished downloading, press Install, and then we're going to follow step 1. Let's press Install now, and this will run the installation process in the background. Now press Continue. And then once the installer is completed, we need to retrieve our activation code. Now to do this, press step 2, which will take you straight to your Akai user account, where you can find your code under the product registration of your MPC Studio. Now let's press Open, which will run the MPC software, and this will now take us through the activation process. So let's press Activate, and now you want to take your serial code and then copy this across into the activation code entry. Press Next, and now you'll need to log in to your Ilock account. Now, if you don't have an Ilock account, press Create New Account, and this will take you straight over to ilock.com, where you can register and set up a free account. Now, once you've entered your Ilock details, your user ID and password, press Next, and now you can set a destination for your license. Press Next, and you've now successfully activated your MPC software. Now press Open, and you're now ready to start making beats. You'll also be prompted to download and install the brand new synth content to unlock the 4 additional plugin instruments that comes with your MPC Studio. Now to do this, go to MPC, Get Synth Content, and this will download a folder with both Windows and the Mac installers. Now simply run the installer, and then once it's completed, restart your MPC software, and you can now access the additional plugin instruments. To learn more about your MPC Studio, head over to the MPC Academy. See you next time.